What's up, guys? It is 11 degrees and we got a Maiden right now. This is a brand new design. If you're on my Facebook group, you've seen it. It is, I'm gonna call it the Cyclone. This was one of my son's toys. I will put a picture right up here. And so this is a 50 millimeter, and this is a first for me. I said I would never do it. Watch this, guys. Swept wing. How cool is that? This is the Maiden flight. The biggest unknown right now is the CG, guys. I'm just planning on the CG being where those green little screws are to hold the swept wing. This is a 50 millimeter 4S. We got full flying tails. It's 11 degrees with a lot of wind, and I am freezing right now. So, and the wind is shifting all over the place. So I'm gonna just try and throw this thing up. The wind is actually going this way, which is a terrible thing because I have to, actually I'm just gonna throw it when there's no wind. And then hopefully it flies. Hopefully I can get the wing sweep going. My fingers are freezing as we speak. I have to throw it into the trees. All right, ready? Tail. Oh, hope I didn't hurt it. Tail heavy. Hope I didn't hurt it. Oh, come on, don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. It looks okay. My hands are absolutely frozen already because it's 11 degrees. I did not hurt it. It was definitely tail heavy. I'm gonna bring it forward. A good bit, actually. I want to bring it forward. I got one more throw before I got to go back in the car. I put my hands on the heater. All right, let's see what we got. I can barely hold this thing. Oh, it was nose heavy. I broke the wing. Damn. Okay. Well, that's a huge bummer, guys. I know I had to rush it. Damn, that was so stupid. All right. Well, at least I have an idea where the CG is supposed to be. I don't think I can fix this. This is a goner, because once the wing breaks, you're kind of screwed, and you have to. Well, the good thing is that I know where the CG is supposed to be. It's supposed to be right in between where I did those two throws, those two terrible throws. I was just a little too far forward that time. If I went with the first CG change, we would have been good. I'm about to get frostbite on my hands because there's snow on them, and this is bad. They are killing me. I don't think I can. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fix this. I may be able to do surgery on this thing and put it back together some way. So I'm gonna try and figure this out, and I will see you guys on the next one.